Vroom, vroom. Look at me. Go. Look at me. I'm driving my big purple van. Van. مين يعرف يمثل زي كده أكنه بيسوق الفان بتاعته ويعمل Good job! Van. The word van starts with letter V. And letter V makes the sound My lips are tickly. I will teach you how to make letter V with your hands. One line like this and then another line like this. Look, I have letter V. مين يعرف يعمل letter V بإيده؟ V makes the sound
street, boo, 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 like violin. Music sounds so sweet. Boo, 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 like velvet, soft and smooth to touch. Boo, 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 like violet, pretty flower so much. Fun's begun.
Story time! Look, today's story is about Vector and his puppy. Can you see Vector? Hi, Vector. Hi, little puppy. Vector loves to play with his puppy. They play a lot. One day, they were searching for the puppy's yellow vest. Vest. في يوم من الأيام كانوا بيدوروا على الvest بتاع الpuppy. Once you hear the word vest, you do like this. Vest. Vest. Good job. Vector loves to play with his puppy. One day, they were searching for the puppy's yellow vest. Vest. Good job! They searched under the table and then they searched behind the chair. Then suddenly, uh-oh! The vase is broken. Look at this. Vase. The vase is broken. Vase. This is a vase. Once you hear the word vase, we do like this. Do you like to put some flowers inside the vase? Vase. Good job. Once you hear the word vase, you do like this. أول ما هنسمع كلمة vase هنعمل كده. Vector loves to play with his little puppy. One day, they were searching for the puppy's yellow vest. Good job. They searched under the table and behind the chair. And then, oopsie, the vase is broken. The vase is broken. Oh, look at the puppy. The puppy hurts his paw. So now the puppy needs to go to the vet. Vet means the doctor. Vet. Vet. Vector loves to play with his puppy. One day, they were searching for the puppy's yellow vest. Vest. Super. They searched under the table and behind the chair, and then, oopsie, the vase is broken. Vase. Good job. Oh, look at the puppy. The puppy hurt his paw. They need to go to the vet. Vet. Super. Vector and the puppy took the van to the doctor. Van. Van. Let's pretend to drive the van. يلا كلنا نمثل أكننا بنسوق الفان. Once you hear the word van, you do like this. Van. Vector loves to play with his puppy. One day, they were searching for the puppy's yellow vest. Vest. They searched under the table and behind the chair, and then, oopsie, the vase was broken. And also the puppy hurt his paw. So they need to go to the vet. Super! They took the van to visit the vet. Now the puppy feels better, and they also found the yellow vest in the van. Now I will act and you will say the word. أنا هعمل الحركة بتاعت الكلمة وانتوا محتاجين تقولوا الكلمة. جاهزين؟ The first word is what is this? Vest. Vest. Super. What about this one? Vroom, vroom. Van. Good job. Oh, what about this one? Vase. Super. Vase. What about this one? A vet. A vet. Super. Vest, van, vase, vet. Vibration game. Vibration. This is a vibration mood. Vibration يعني نقعد نتهز كده على طول. Vibration. Here we have some pictures. Some of them have v sound. Other pictures, they don't have v sound. Once you see a picture that has v sound, we do like this. We vibrate. أول ما هنلاقي صورة فيها صوت v هنعمل vibration. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? This is a van. What about this one? Volcano. Oh, this is a violin. Violin. Yes, it has v sounds. Violin. What about this one? Monkey. Does the word monkey have v sound? Monkey. No, no vibration. Oh, what about this picture? Fruits. Fruits? No, it has no v sound. Vegetables. Can you see the vegetables? Yes. It has v sound. Super.
Uppercase letter V. letter V سهل جدا عبارة عن خطوتين 1 2 1 2 شبه بالظبط رقم 7 بالعربي 1 2 Let's try to write it with our marker. هو uppercase يعني very big. هنبدأ من أول اللاين ده لغاية اللاين ده 1 2 1 2 هتلاقوا معظم ال uppercase letters من أول اللاين الكبير لغاية اللاين اللي تحت خالص، لكن معظم ال lower case بس صغيرين بين الخط ده والخط ده. lower case letter V نفس بالظبط ال uppercase بس صغير ما بين الخط ده والخط ده. 1 2 1 2. يلا بينا نمسك الماركر ونكتب letter V. 1 2 1 2.